sa GMA Regional TV Live mga kapuso, pampag-good vibes karong buntaga atong ila-ilahon kining sikat na kaayo nga pamilya gikan sa lalawigan sa Bohol na ilagyo sila gumikan sa ilang libuan ka mga followers sa social media. Mas ila-ilahon pa nato sila karong buntaga mga kapuso, ang Ahern Family. Good morning.
Hey, mayong buntag.
Mayong buntag. Thank you. Daghang salamat for joining us, Daddy Brian, of course si Mami Jodalyn og ang mga adorable kay nga mga chikiting. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. May we know ngano naka-decide mo, Daddy Brian, nga musulod sa social media magbuhat og mga vlogs?
In the very beginning, before we transferred into a family vlog, I was just showing like how it is being a foreigner here, or like an American, and I would give advice or I would just talk about the living expenses or what I'm doing here. I was going to school at that time, so it started from that, making fun videos showing like, whoa, I'm getting a haircut here to buying burgers and etc. So just showing the daily life, and then it morphed into this humongous family. So
I remember you going to school.
oh, anak.
How about you, si Ma'am Jodalyn, ma'am? Murag wala ka murag nagpangikog ani at first nga magbuhat og mga vlogs, dili ba ka murag manggiiwawon, ma'am?
Dili ko sa una mo appeal kay ulaw kaayo, pero na eventually na get over na nako niya. Karon baga na kog now.
Pagkaalig. May we know about your love story, Sir Brian o si Mami? When and where did you meet?
Oh my gulay. That's so funny.
We met online.
Online through the website.
There's a website
for Filipinos in general, and
that's when we met.
yeah.
And then we met in person.
Uh-oh.
And that's when it started.
Unsay kinaiya ni Daddy nga imong gika gustuhan o gikaibgan?
First yung pagkagwapo, Jud.
Wow, salamat.
Yeah, man, and then we're learning with each other, and then it's very
Smart.
very nice guy.
Wow.
Yes, it's
How
very-
about you, Daddy Brian? Unsa may what do you love most about Mami?
The first pa daw?
First?
Yeah.
My gosh. She's so sweet. Like, buotan siya, anak ba? Like, but then, over the years of suffering, I found out maldita siya. Just joking. But no, I mean, the very first time I met my wife, Jodalyn, I was just blown away by her beauty.
How is it like at home, Daddy og Mami with 5 kids? Aligri kayo.
Like this all the time, running around, busy. I'm so happy that I raised my kids here in the Philippines because, diba, mami, it wouldn't be the same. And my kids are bilingual or multilingual. They're gonna learn Tagalog, anak. So I'm really happy we decided to raise our kids here, because if it was in the USA, it would never ever be this good.
November 13 is World Kindness Day. Then last year, naila na mo, na-feature mo on national television. You were sharing your blessings sa mga bol-anon. Unsa may inspiration? What made you do that, man?
I learned a lot here in the Philippines about kindness and sharing. So I think my wife transferred lots of that into our family, and she would always pay attention to the kids working hard on the street and always award them or reward them something for when she sees them working hard and trying to make ends meet, trying to make some money for the family. And I learned a lot from her and her family about sharing our blessings, etc.
Sa inyong mga content, Daddy og Mami, unsay para ninyo paborito nga mitatak gyud?
When we help grandpa, when daddy helped grandpa, and I think that attracts a lot of people, but we also helped before. Kato lang jud siya ang ning tatak. The one that really like caught the attention of so many people were,
Lolo Andres.
yeah, when we helped.
The Lolo
Yeah.
sa bike,
Lolo.
the garbage collector.
Yes.
Aside sa mga pampag-good vibes ninyo nga mga videos, sometimes napod may mga prank, no? Unsa man para ninyo ang murag pinaka-memorable?
Prank?
Uh-huh.
Prank na. Hinumdum ako, sir.
Ay,
Giprank
buntes.
na ako siya na buntis ko.
Grabe. Ilak.
Nihilak siya kay madungan ka na eh. Kauno na ko. Giprank dito na ako, sir. Kaya sige ko niya giprank. Yung ko na kanang I need to do something dyan na makabalos ko niya. Kay balo man ko na kanang dili man ko dapat unta mabuntis, sir, ba kay na ako'y Twitter. So I knew na effective dito siya na prank. So that's what happened.
Oh.
Nihilak.
Yeah, looy ko. Looy.
Nihilak dyan siya, sir. Katawanan kaayo.
Surrender.
Sayang kayo murag apiki atong oras da, pero kanang message lang ninyo, Daddy Brian o Mami Jodaline, sa atong mga viewers nagtanaw karong buntaga o sa inyo pong mga followers sa inyong mga platform sa social media.
Thank you kaayo sa pag-support namo. It's been like more than 3 years pero naalang gihapon sila.
Salamat kayo sa pagtanaw, guys. Salamat, mga agaw. We really appreciate you and all your support, always commenting, saying, God bless, and everything. So from the bottom of our hearts, thank you, and we will continue to make fun videos with our kids and everything you guys ask for, and of course, giveaways and random life challenges as they come along, because very soon we'll be we'll be going to the US.
Thank you so much for joining us. We had fun. Salamat sa pag-inspire sa atong mga viewers sa inyong makalingaw o family-oriented nga content ang Ahern Family, mga kapuso, sa Bohol. Thank you so much.
Salamat kayo. Sa Nico, amping guys. Ingat
you.
po.